Recording the sewer line here at 6500 Finney Avenue North. Recording this from the clean out here on the north side of the property. What we're looking at here is the city main. I'm going to zero out our footage. Come back from the city main here. So this is 6-inch clay pipe. Start to see a little bit of offset sections of pipe. Not in the worst condition, but definitely old original pipe. We got a break at the top of the line there. You can see a chunk of pipe missing on the upper left side of the screen there. That's a chunk missing out of the clay piping. And we've got a break here. This is our most major break where that concrete and clay transitions. So about 26 feet of clay pipe. We're going to zero that out. 6-inch clay pipe. And now we're back in concrete 6-inch pipe. And right here it goes from 4-inch to 6-inch. So we got 6-inch diameter pipe coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe. I'm going to zero our footage out one more time. Got a pretty big root coming in there. Got a small section of broken concrete pipe there. You can see the top of the screen, there's a section of pipe missing. Flat back into plastic pipe where the upstairs of the building ties in there. And then we've got another tie in there, I'm guessing, maybe for an old, oh yeah, there's a downspout line there as well. Another downspout here. Oh yeah, there's another downspout tie-in at the top right part of the screen there. So this downspout tie-in, or whatever that tie-in, may be abandoned. It'd take a little more investigation to figure out what exactly that is tying in there. So about 30 feet of old concrete 4-inch line as well that would be replaced as part of the project or lined through. I'm going to end the video there. We got a good recording this time.